Cover up the Fitzherbert Parkway. End over end. 4 people. Nice and easy. Lengthways, end over end. At that stage, the boys, what they're doing there, you've got to go nice and slow. As you're pulling it up like they are now, you need to slow down about now. Keep the air out of it. Pretty simple, 4 guys. Walk up and down it a bit to get all the air out of it. Start rolling it from one end. Cover rolled up, job done. 2 minutes to do the whole job, nice and secure.